morning for this, what is today? God, today's Monday, January 5th. Second live trading day of 2015. The E-Mini S&P 500 opened up quite a bit lower. We closed on Friday the 2nd at 2,046 3/4. We've opened up today at 2,038 1/4. So we are down quite a bit. So now the question becomes, do we bounce back a little bit here and try to fill this gap immediately? So what I'm going to do is I am going to wait just a little bit here, and then I'm going to look to potentially take a trade to the long side. And that is my... All right. So we're going to watch this closely. And that's my computer talking to me. I apologize. We are... Let's see. Alright, so let's just see this real quick. Looking to take a trade here. But again, I want to wait a little bit longer. We are testing Friday's low, right? Friday's low is right here, the 2,038 3/4. Today's low so far is 2,038 even, so we've taken it out by 3/4 of a point. I want to see how it acts in here. If we start pushing lower and we don't try to come back up, then I think we'll probably try going lower. But remember, 2,040.5 is the first 3-minute bars high. So I'm going to watch this. I'm going to pause the video a little bit and see if I can get a live trade here in front of you, okay? Alright, so let's see. We are looking to buy this market. Looks like it took it out marginally down here. We are going to go long at the market here. See how this second 3-minute bar barely took out the first 3-minute bar's low, testing the low of Friday. Alright, let's watch. Alright, we are long this market. Let's see what we can do here. We are long 5 E-Mini futures contracts at, let's see. Well, you can see on the matrix here, we are up $250, so pretty quick. So 5 contracts long at 2,038.5. So I'm looking for the market to try to retest the 2,040.5. So going to be patient here. Looking for the market to stage just a small rally here. We'll see how far we can try to take it up here, try to close that gap. All right, let's look to take off. Alright, let's just watch this. Pause the video. Alright, I am back. It's a few minutes later. As you can see, the market has dropped a little further than I had thought. Added to the position right down in here. Right now, up about $1,000, as you can see on the open equity. Right in here, we're long 20 contracts. I'm looking to take 15 of them off. Okay, 15 of them off. We're up about $1,000. Let's go ahead and go sell 15 at the market. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we lock in here. Sell 15 on the rally. Here we go. We closed out $625 in profits. We still have 5 contracts left, so we closed this out for $625. All right, and what we're going to do on the remaining portion of this position is move that stop up, so we're locking in even more money. So right now, the cumulative profit loss is up. We're up about 1,937, 1,000. We closed out 625. So what I want to do here is I'm going to move this up to 2,033 3/4. All right, so you can see right here we've got to stop right there where we entered the second part of this position. So right now, currently, we're up 375 on the current position. On the remaining 5, we've locked in 625. If our stop is hit at 2,033 3/4, we pretty much make the 6 1/4. So let's sit and watch. We're at 234 1/2, 1/4. So we're coming down. Let's see if it knocks me out. We're still coming out ahead on this trade, regardless if the market comes back down and takes us out at 2,033 3/4. Again, we want this to be pretty much a free trade on the remaining portion of the position, just in case this market were to really start to take off. But basically what I did, these two white horizontal lines represent, the lower white horizontal line represents the 50% retracement from today's high to low, okay? And this upper white horizontal line represents the 60% retracement. So, okay, out. Out, out, out. So, it took us out. We are flat the market. As you can see, the position is flat at 0. Okay? So, we are closed position 625. $625. All right? $625 is what we made on this position. And we'll see what happens first thing in the morning. So if you've got any questions, let me know. I will be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.